understanding the meaning of derogate. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to dive into the meaning of a less common but interesting word, derogate. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this word in different contexts. So, let's get started. Derogate is a verb that generally means to diminish or devalue something. It can also mean to deviate from a set standard or expectation. When someone derogates something, they are essentially reducing its value, importance, or effectiveness. This word is commonly used in legal and formal contexts. For instance, 1. The new policy may not derogate from the rights that employees have under their existing contracts. 2. By spreading false rumors about the product, they aim to derogate the reputation of the company. In these examples, derogate is used to convey a reduction in value or standing, be it of legal rights or reputation. There are a few phrases and expressions that commonly include derogate. One such expression is derogate from. This phrase means to deviate from a standard or to lessen in value. For example, no clause in the contract shall be deemed to derogate from the statutory rights of the consumer. Here, derogate from indicates a deviation from the standard statutory rights that a consumer holds. And that's a wrap on derogate. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this term for you. Remember, it's all about context. And with practice, using words like derogate will become second nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.